Capricorns, this is Ciao with Rihanna Stark. This is your monthly forecast for August 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being called to dive into some oracle decks that I have here. For a quick message from the universe, we will dive into Celtic Lenormand as well. Capricorns, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order. So please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading. Towards the final days of July, stepping into August 2021, we have the King of Swords. Possibly your plans may have been altered in this period. Maybe you were also somebody who was dealing with excess communication, or you were deliberating with an elder person, possibly your father figure. Incidentally, I'm also picking up that maybe your words were also misinterpreted. I think financial issues or financial problems may have cropped up, or maybe it was a bone of contention in your relationships. Largely, I think Capricorns, in this period you were called upon to take the onus, and this may have left you exasperated as well. Obstacles to overcome this month, we have the Two of Pentacles. I think you are going to be somebody who wants to juggle money and energy, but then it would be prudent not to take too many risks. Ideally, I think Capricorns, you should listen to your own inner voice rather than follow the counsel of another person, though this person may have helped you out in the past. I think sometimes you could also be baffled on account of contradictory information that is before you. Influences for this month, we have the Queen of Pentacles. This is your energy, Pentacle energy, which is the earth energy. I think Capricorns, you need to be quite assertive in this month rather than allow people to take you for granted. Possibly there are people who are going to let you down. Incidentally, you can expect some gains in this month. I think technical gadgets or technical issues will also bother you. For some of you, I'm also picking up that things will be revealed, or maybe everything will come out in the open. So it's going to be an eye-opener of sorts for you. With respect to health matters, I think there could be some respite here. The first 10 days of August, we have the Temperance card. You are being called upon to be patient. Anyhow, Capricorns are known to be patient beings. You're supposed to be somebody who's going to take your time and then you will go for the kill. Likewise, I think these 10 days are asking you to be patient, to persevere. Incidentally, rewards will come in, so you need to carry on with the task. Maybe there'll be some delays which you have to put up with. I think this is going to turn out to be a very dramatic period. Maybe there'll be sudden changes as well in your life. Possibly, silly arguments could snowball into bigger issues. Ideally, I think Capricorns, you should avoid temperamental behavior in this time. Maybe you are getting worked up for no rhyme or reason. I think jealous colleagues are also something which you should guard against. Possibly there's rivalry which has come up in your reading, so you need to be careful because knives are being sharpened behind your back. Possibly this is also making the work environment quite stifling. I think you have to handle the green-eyed monsters. Capricorns, you will also benefit if you will build on your contacts. This is also the time when you can expect payment for your services. The next 10 days, that is towards 11th to 20th August, we have the Strength card. Again, surprises are also in store for you in this period. Possibly you're going to receive your past dues, or there could be unexpected money gains which is coming in. I think in this period you will also have a very professional attitude. Possibly you will let go of those clients who always want more than their pound of flesh, but then they're very stingy when it comes to paying you. Work pressure will also mount in this period, and this could leave you a bit stressed out. Maybe there could be delays on account of technical issues. Maybe poor internet connectivity could also hamper your progress, or there could be unavailability of equipment. I think you should have a more collaborative approach in this time. Maybe you should listen to the viewpoint of others, because in hindsight you will understand that maybe they were right. Incidentally, Capricorns, this is also the time to let go of people whom you no longer require in your life. Maybe you will realize that some relationships have outgrown their usefulness. That is why you need to walk away from those relationships. Minor irritants apart, I think this could be a very fruitful and productive period for you. In case you're dealing with government officials this month, I think they will go out of the way to assist you, possibly because you're also quite courteous and polite while dealing with them. This is why you'll be appreciative of them. Towards the final days of August, that is towards 21st to 31st August, we have the Three of Pentacles. Again, this period is also asking you to collaborate with others. I think you need to have a very cooperative approach this month. Nonetheless, hard work is in store for you. Sometimes you may think you need to polish your skills or you need to enhance your skills as well, because you see this lady, she's busy with some creative project. Likewise, I think your creativity will also be in full swing. Money owed to you is also going to be paid up. Possibly, some Capricorns, you'll also be thinking about clearing some debts. Nevertheless, I think while working, you need to be careful because there could be mistakes. Like I said, you could be baffled on account of contradictory data that is before you. So this is something which you need to be mindful of. Those of you who are in the leadership position, I think you will be praised for being an encouraging boss. Besides, I think the achievements of your juniors will also reflect very well in your department. Still, you're also going to be someone who is going to be peeved on account of incompetent workers. I think some of you could also be a bit distressed on account of bias that exists within the home front or within the work environment. Sometimes, you may feel as though you're being made the scapegoat or you're being blamed for no rhyme or reason. With respect to your love life, Capricorns, for this month, we have the card Action. Certainly, you're being called upon to take the necessary steps to help this relationship blossom in case you're already in love with someone or in case there's a connection here. Possibly communication could also increase. Single Capricorns, I think you will have your share of admirers. They are definitely smitten. Even married ones could be insecure in your presence. I think you should distance yourself from these kinds of people. However, you are somebody who will revel in the attention, but it's no point stringing anyone along in case you're disinterested. Some of you could also be open to the idea of proposals on dating sites, on matrimonial sites. Perhaps you're also somebody who's going to zero in on such a person. But then these are early days. In case you're crushing on someone, I think you confidently believe that this person and you will be a couple someday in the near future. However, your confidant may ask you to be more practical or more pragmatic in such matters. Perhaps this person also needs to take those action steps to be with you. Romancing Capricorns, I think you can expect harmony in your relationship. Sometimes, this person could be busy on account of work. That is why you will miss your person. I think you're also somebody who will confront your person if you want definite answers with respect to this relationship. However, you're not going to be disappointed. In fact, your person will confess that you're never far from his mind. In case yours is a secret romance, I think you need to be very careful because family elders could get a whiff of your relationship. Your person and you will discuss your past. Maybe this person is going to get emotional as the evening sets in. Some of you could also be dealing with an ex. Maybe you want to distance yourself from this person. That is why you're moving away from this relationship like this bird is flying away into the distant future. Those of you who are in a third party situation, I think you would be scared of the repercussions with respect to this connection. Married Capricorns, I think your spouse is somebody who's going to assist you at work because we do have the pentacle energy. Possibly you're going to collaborate with him. I think you should also be polite with your in-laws. Maybe you'll also be concerned about the health of a loved one this month. Like I said, your spouse is somebody who could help you in case you're in the doldrums with respect to work. Maybe he could help you write official mails as well. Those of you who are in an unhappy connection, I think suspicion could be the bane of the relationship. Nevertheless, I think your partner is somebody who is going to be apologetic for mistrusting you. Sometimes, you feel as long as your person's needs are attended to, it's all good or it's all hunky-dory. But then if his needs are not met, then he's quite demanding. Basically, you want him to acknowledge you. I think Capricorns should also be careful because domestic violence could be an issue here. Maybe infidelity could also lead to disharmony in your relationship. From Celtic Lenormand, we do have this card here, Snake. Like I said, you should be careful because there are people who are going to let you down this month. Maybe somebody is also using his tongue like a whiplash. Capricorns, you should be mindful of your words. Largely, I think Capricorns, you need to be careful because somebody here is quite deceptive. Last but not the least, we have this card, Courage. Capricorns, you're being called upon to take those action steps because we did have this card, Action. Maybe you should keep the faith. Possibly you may be thinking about a change in the situation that you're in. The unknown can make you a bit tentative, but then you should have faith and you should believe that everything will work out in your favor. Basically, Capricorns, you're being called upon to be more assertive. You need to break out of your comfort zone and you need to face your fears this August. I hope, Capricorns, you liked your reading. This is Tarot with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.